I just arrived here in Sonoma, birthplace of the California wine industry. It is a city in the northern part of California. It is just a 1-hour drive from where I came from, East Bay, actually from Walnut Creek. And the traffic is not so bad going here. It's really beautiful drive. This historic city is in the heart of the renowned Sonoma Valley winemaking region. It's known for its art galleries and the colonial era Sonoma Plaza. We shall see some 19th century adobe buildings, including the Mission and the Sonoma Barracks. Ready to tour Sonoma? And off we go! Okay, we're gonna do heads for duck, okay? Let's go. I guess it's heads.
Okay,
it's
that is
duck.
Duck. Okay, one leg or two.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me.
I hope you can hear me because I left my mic in the car. So my choice of restaurant for Sonoma is this popular restaurant called Girl and the Pig. It's so packed here, and if you don't do reservations, you may not be seated. It's pretty here, it's Frenchy, and I like that. It's not moderately priced, so be ready for it. But there's a bunch of restaurants that I saw here. If you want to go on a fast-paced one, it's also available here. They're known for their figs, so I better have their figs. So first order is the fig and the super delicious. Very fresh. Everything is fresh. This is the cutest restroom ever. Thank you so much. Now let's have the duck confit. I'm so excited. That was a really good restaurant. I like what I ate. It's a little bit more on the pricey side, so you gotta be prepared for it. I think I deserve good food for just today. I'll probably just have some mock chicken later. I'm now in the middle of the Sonoma downtown. It's called Sonoma Plaza. And it's as busy as it gets. Today is busy because it's such a nice day today. Shop, they're really good.
Oh yes, it's really good. Homemade ice cream.
Which was the best?
Boy, I'd say the mud pie.
Ready for dessert? I want some ice cream. Let's go! What's your favorite ice cream flavor here?
Coffee. I love the blueberry when they have it.
Thank you. The color, it's so good. Yes. Let's walk inside the Scar Shops while having ice cream. Let's go. Dog candy. Not allowed ice cream. Okay, bye-bye. Are you ready to learn some Sonoma history? Let's go. Alright, you can smile with it.
Smile, Johnny.
No flash, but video okay?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Tour guide. Constructed in 1824. And this would be the dining room. This is Mission San Juan Bautista in 1797. Mission San Diego de Alcala in 1769. Mission San Juan Capistrano. Mission Santa Barbara. Mission San Luis Obispo. Let's now check the chapel.
Sorry.
No worries. Lastly, the courtyard. An old fountain. We are currently at the courtyard of Mission Solano. This is the 21st and also the last California mission that was established in 1823. Wow. This restored mission is now part of the Sonoma State Historic Park and not dedicated as a Catholic church. That one smells so good.
That's
Oh.
the building across the street.
Oh,
The
gotcha.
building across the street with the blue wing in
Okay.
was, don't tell them where we went, okay?
I'll tell them.
It was used by some Spanish bandits like Joaquin Murrieta and Three Finger Jack. So some infamous people stayed there.
When you come here in Sonoma Valley and you want to learn about history, be sure to head first at the barracks and watch the video because you will learn a lot from that video. And then after that, you definitely should visit the Sonoma State Historic Park. There's a lot to learn. I would definitely start here and go to the Casa Grande site, to the Toscano Hotel, and then go to the barracks, and lastly, the Mission San Francisco Solano. I learned a lot about Sonoma history today. We all know that the American Indians were the first settlers here, and then the Spanish came, but I didn't know that the Russians were also here. There's also a cool shop here just in case you want to have souvenirs and learn more about history in the Bay Area. I heard Sonoma is popular for cheese, and now I'm kind of craving for Sonoma cheese. Off we go. Say cheese. There's a bunch of cheese here. A lot of cheese. French Polynesia, Stilton from Grand Britain. I kind of like that. Rogue River Blue from Oregon. Grazing Girl from Valley Forge, California. But I'm in search of the Sonoma cheese. This one?
Yeah.
And then what else?
And those right there.
Ooh. This one. Okay. I'm shopping now. Thank you. You can actually buy a bunch of cheese from the Sonoma Cheese Factory. They don't make their own cheese, but there's a lot of cheese there that are extra good. And yes, I got some pieces myself.
Bella cheese, 5th or 6th generation family.
I'm gonna try it out later. You can also try it there. They can give you fork and knife and some plate, and you can actually eat there at your own will. But I think I'm gonna do that at home. And now I can't wait to get my reward. Let's go get some wine now.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord.
You can go into our tasting room and you can head down. We do buy the bottle and buy the glass, so you can get a bottle and you can sit on our property. And you're all set. Or you can get a glass, you can try a few wines, you can get some a la carte food options. And yeah, check out our
Awesome.
merch.
Just gonna chill.
Yeah.
What's behind you?
This is our
Caucus Hideaway.
Yeah.
It's like a new little lounge for our club members.
Oh, gotta be club member to be
yes.
there. You know what to do. Sonoma Coast, Pinot Noir, a la carte, and you can just pick through here. Nice. No rosemary one. Ooh, everything spice? Yeah. It's actually pretty cool over here. You can like buy stuff. You can buy your cheese and your crackers, your own charcuterie. Go get your wine and head out to the hill.
The chairs are on the table. The floor has been swept. It's close closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I've slept. But things are moving forward. I'm ready to move on.
It will take me a while to remember this place, but I'm at Gunlach Bunshu Winery here at Sonoma. It is beautiful over here. Kinda rustic feel, not kinda, it's rustic feel over here, but it's amazing. They have different sections here. If you're walking in like me, you go straight to the tasting room. I got a Pinot because I'm light, and I'm also driving back to my bestie's place for her birthday dinner, so we gotta be safe, you know. Sometimes our goal is just to be safe, so we're gonna do that. This place is highly recommended by the locals, that's why I went here. I hope you're having a great day as much as I am. I truly love Sonoma Valley. I'm gonna be back here for sure. If you have questions, comments, suggestions, or stories you would like to share, go put them in the comment. I love reading them. See you next time, and off I go.
Nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark.